Right now there's a race happening. Not on a track, but inside every data center on the planet. We're building machines that can out-calculate, out-write and out-code us, but there's a hardware problem they can't solve. While AI requires cooling towers and massive power grids, the most advanced processor in the known universe is sitting right behind your eyes. It's roughly 3 pounds of wetware, yet it possesses a storage capacity that makes the world's biggest hard drives look like floppy disks. Welcome to the 2 petabyte secret. This is why you are still the ultimate supercomputer in 2026. Let's talk numbers. In 2024, scientists mapped just 1 tiny cubic millimeter of human brain tissue. 1 grain of S, that single sliver generated 1.4 petabytes of data. That's 1.4 million gigabytes for a piece of you smaller than a mosquito. If we mapped your entire brain at that same resolution, we wouldn't need petabytes. We would need zettabytes. 1 zettabyte is a trillion gigabytes. To store just 1 human mind, you'd need a server farm covering 100 football fields. Yet, you carry that entire data center in your skull effortlessly while walking the dog. Now, look at the energy gap. To train a model like GPT-5, it takes enough electricity to power a small city. These AI clusters run hot, requiring massive cooling systems to keep their silicon brains from melting. You run on 20 watts. That's less energy than the dim light bulb in your hallway. Your brain is the most energy-efficient machine ever discovered. It performs a quintillion calculations a second on the calories of a single apple. This is the efficiency paradox. AI is a brute force titan. You are an architectural masterpiece. But surely AI is smarter? Well, it depends on what you call smart. AI has jagged intelligence. It can solve Olympic-level math problems in seconds, but might fail to read an analog clock correctly. It can write a sonnet about heartbreak, but it has never felt its chest tighten or its breath catch. You possess something AI still lacks: semantics. You don't just process data, you understand the feeling behind the data. While AI predicts the next word in a sequence, you predict the future by using intuition and billions of years of evolutionary survival. Then there's the secret of live wiring. When an AI model is finished training, its weights are mostly frozen. It's a static map. Your brain never stops building. Every time you learn a new word or taste a new food, your neurons physically move. This is neuroplasticity. You are a biological shapeshifter, constantly rewiring your own hardware in real time based on your experiences. If a black swan event happens, something totally new, AI often glitches because it has no historical data to copy. You, however, thrive in chaos. You use analogy, creativity, and gut instinct to solve problems that have never existed before. So, is AI the enemy? No, it's a mirror. It shows us just how incredibly complex we truly are. As we move further into 2026, the goal isn't brain versus AI, it's about unlocking the human advantage. You are the pilot of a 2 petabyte biological marvel. Your potential isn't determined by an algorithm, it's determined by your focus. Don't let your supercomputer idle on a scroll loop. Give it a challenge worthy of its architecture. Your mind is the final frontier. Start using it. Follow Healthnomen for more secrets hidden within your biology.